Welcome back for another exciting update to the theme park that Universal is building in Frisco, Texas. So it's been a while since our last update, so you are going to see a lot of new construction, a lot of concrete poured for parking lots, which there is a lot of parking for this new resort, including day guest, parking for the hotel, employee parking, and it looks like the majority of the theme park is there in the middle with some of the structures going up. And as you'll see in a second, there looks to be a trough that is being dug for the water ride. So you can slowly start seeing that come together. And then directly in front of the kind of holes they're digging is what looks to be the resort hotel. So you can see, quite a bit of it constructed there on the right in white. And then if you look right in the middle, I am guessing that is the path that is going to lead into the theme park. And then once you walk through that path, you're going to be greeted by a beautiful lake and the boat ride, which you can kind of see starting to take shape. So that's super exciting. And then as we pan around to the rest of the theme park, you'll see what looks like potentially guest drop-off spots, maybe for Uber pickups, another, large parking lot, as well as a lot of concrete and infrastructure items going in on the back side. They are also trying to build out the remaining infrastructure on the roads, which you can see right here. This is going to be what looks like maybe a nice 4-lane road going all the way down to Preston Road, and so definitely a lot of and you can see someone down there putting pipes in, but a lot of exciting stuff going on. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I will try and have another update posted shortly. Have a great day.